Okay, number 9, we are going to construct a line tangent to a circle from a point outside a circle. So our first step is going to create the circle. Let's give ourselves a center point. I'm going to call this X. And then we can put our compass down and make a nice circle. Be careful with your circle. The more accurate you are, the better it is. Okay, and now the next thing is to put that point outside of the circle. So I'm going to put my point over here, and I'm going to label this as Y. My next step is to connect X and Y. I can use a nice segment. Okay, back to my compass tool. This time I'm going to line the compass tool up on point X, making sure my compass is opened more than halfway between these 2 points. So I'm going to put it here, making a swipe up top and down below, from top to bottom. Now again, I'm going to turn my compass using the same hole I just used when I was on this side. I used the exterior hole. So I'm going to line up on point Y, and again, use the exterior hole, crossing my top and my bottom. Okay, I'm going to label those 2 intersection points as A and B, just so that they have names. I'm now going to connect point A and B. And in this case, I'm just going to use a dashed line. I'm using a dashed line because this line is really not part of my final answer. It's just assisting me in getting to my answer. Okay, now we are going to, again, pick up our compass tool. Oh, and we're going to forgot to label the intersection at the center there. Let's label this one as C. Now I am going to use my compass tool. I'm going to put my compass down on point C. And I'm going to open or close the compass depending upon what you need to do so that you can see the letter Y in your compass. And now we are going to create a circle of that size. Again, I am going to use a bit of a dash. I'm going to try and dash my circle as I go a little bit. I should wind up going directly through point X. And unfortunately my compass slid a little. This is why it's a good idea for you guys to use pencil. You get it back in the right place. And continue on. Okay, my next goal, I'm going to label the intersection right here as W. And now I'm going to connect the dots between W and Y, connect the points here. And it is a line that I'm creating. And the trick is, if I connect W back to X, this should be a perpendicular angle right here if I have indeed created this correctly. So if we check our measurements, if I line up my protractor, checking my measurements here, there we go, I'm at exactly 90 degrees. So that's a good measurement. So here's 90. And now I can write my statements. So we have W, Y, that's a line, is perpendicular to segment WX, and WY, the line again, is tangent to circle X. Remembering, tangent means the line is just grazing the edge of the circle right here in one spot. It also means that you are perpendicular to a radius.